Welcome to our tutorial on setting up MayaTun UDP VPN with custom settings to optimize and boost your internet speed. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of configuring MayaTun UDP VPN to achieve lightning-fast internet speed. Let's get started. By setting up MayaTun UDP VPN with custom settings, you can experience improved and boosted internet speed. This allows for faster browsing, seamless streaming, and enhanced online activities. Step 1. Download MayaTun UDP VPN. Begin by downloading the MayaTun UDP VPN application from a trusted source, such as the official website or your device's app store. Step 2. Access the menu. Open the MayaTun UDP VPN app and tap on the three lines icon located on the home page to access the menu. Step 3. Update server configuration. Within the menu, locate and tap on the Update Server option. This ensures you have the latest server configurations for optimal performance. Step 4. Set connection time. Tap on the Add Time button within the app and specify the desired duration for your connection. This allows you to manage your connection duration. Step 5. Enable custom setup. On the home page, toggle the radio button next to Custom Setup to enable custom settings for your MayaTun UDP VPN connection. Step 6. Select Custom SNI connection type. Tap on the arrowhead icon to see the list of different connection types. Select the Custom SNI option, known for its fast and speed-boosting capabilities. Step 7. Enter country-specific SNI. In the provided box, enter the valid SNI, server name indication, for your country. This ensures a connection to the closest and fastest servers in your region. Step 8. Start the VPN connection. Tap the Start button within the MayaTun UDP VPN app to initiate the VPN connection with your custom settings. Congratulations! You have successfully set up MayaTun UDP VPN with custom settings to boost your internet speed. Enjoy lightning-fast internet, seamless streaming, and improved online activities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving comments to support our channel. That concludes our tutorial on setting up MayaTun UDP VPN with custom settings for boosted internet speed. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your lightning-fast internet with MayaTun UDP VPN.